Hi, I'm Ginny Peters with Century 21 Alton Clark, and today I'm here with Kathy Baker from Staging and Such.
Hi everybody.
Kathy, I'd just like you to take a quick moment and tell our homeowners some things that they can do to sell their house quickly.
Okay, so the most important thing about staging a home and getting ready for market are the 3 Ds. The first one is depersonalize. So go through your home. You have to look at your home in a different way completely. It's becoming a product on the market. It's a house on the market now. So go through it and try and depersonalize all of your, you can't have too many family pictures, etc., etc. No, not too much sports memorabilia, sorry everybody. The second thing is to declutter. It's a very great feeling to purge your house of clutter that you don't particularly want to pay and take the effort to move to another home. Your house will look so much bigger without the clutter. You will like it even better without the clutter. So try and get rid of it. Go to Goodwill, get a tax receipt, get rid of it, or for important clutter, put it in a storage unit out of the way so when your house is on the market, the house looks. You want to sell the features in your house, not your things in the house. So you don't want to distract from the features in your home. You want your realtor to get the most possible, highest price for the features that make your house the most marketable. And the third thing is deep cleaning. This is very, very important. Every surface should be shiny inside and outside. Curb appeal, number one, it's a cliche for a reason, but inside everywhere should be really, really nice and clean. And for picture day, it's not quite as important, but once the realtor starts showing the listing, it's very important that each cabinet, inside your fridge, everything is super clean, super shiny, smells ready to go, turnkey for your buyers. Those are the 3 most important things about staging.
Wow, those are all really important. I really appreciate you taking time out today to come and talk to us and share those with us. I also want to point out real quick that Kathy Baker staged this entire studio. So I just want to say a quick thank you because you did a fabulous job, and I'm really looking forward to using it, enjoying it, having some of my vendors come out like you and talk about your area of expertise. So if they want to reach you for the staging and such, what's your phone number, Kathy?
My phone number is 407-341-6640, and right now I am in the process of putting together my website and Facebook pages and things like that, but I've been busy staging.
Yes, she has. We've kept her busy here at the office.
Other places too. So, but we're getting that going. But yeah, give me a call. I'd love to help you, and I pride myself on providing a maximum impact for the minimum amount of price, time, and energy. I want to get good deals for you out there.
Thank you. Thank you so much. If you need any real estate needs, I'm here to help you. My contact info's up here. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.